Let's talk about side hustles because hey, who doesn't want to make a little bit of extra money on the side, right? You might currently be studying or working in your 9-to-5 job, but you still have extra time and want to generate more money? Well then, keep watching because I got 5 great side hustle ideas for you. And no, I'm not talking about the usual mowing the lawns for other people or become an Uber driver or even walk the dogs for other people, even though some of those can actually really generate you some nice side income. I know people making thousands walking other dogs, but in this specific video, I really want to focus on digital side hustles. Things that you can do from the comfort of your home or for that matter anywhere in the world. And more importantly, side hustles that can actually scale over time, where you don't spend your time to make more money, but instead you find systems and over time you can really scale them up and grow into a full-time gig for you rather than just being at a side hustle forever. Eventually, you can be able to leave your job and really focus on what used to be a side hustle, and that can really become your main source of income. So with this, let's get started. Right, so the first thing is actually selling things on Etsy. Now you may say, Kai, I don't sell any candles or make any jewelry at home. And I get you. Once again, I want to focus on digital things. And just to give you an example how powerful it can be, I really recommend selling templates. For example, look at this ultimate annual budget. It's basically an Excel or Google sheet that somebody did once as a template and now is selling it online. And when you look at it, it's absolutely mind-boggling. Look at this. The seller is called the Hundreds Club. It's just basically some person that registered a shop on Etsy. Very simple to do, free of charge. You see here, they sold 4,888 of this particular template times 28 euros. That's a staggering 136,000 euros that they've done just off that template. So if anyone tells me Etsy doesn't work, well, just check it out over here. And you will see there's countless of other templates like diary planners, etc. And you just create it once and that's going to be passive income. Because once it's created, people can just download it from anywhere in the world and you don't have to even do marketing. Now, of course, there are other great marketplaces like Gumroad where you can basically upload your own files and people can download it. But I think the problem here is you need to have a traffic source. Once you're a big influencer or you have a lot of traffic, then these things can make sense and you can sell it directly via your own link. But if you start off, you may not have any subscribers, followers, traffic to your various platforms. So I think Gumroad is a bit more limiting. And in that way, Etsy definitely already brings you traffic because people already look for these things. As you can see over here, all the various templates you can download for weddings, for menu, planner. And the good thing is you can just create it in Canva and then put it over here and then people download it and you get paid. Now the second side hustle is becoming a content creator. Now that's a little bit more long term. It's not something where you're gonna get paid immediately because it will take you time to start building up your following online. Like myself, I've been doing these YouTube videos for almost 2 years soon and still not reached the 5,000 subscribers threshold, which is really my next goal. But I can already see some benefits coming out of it because I'm already getting affiliate income. When I put links in my description, people click it. I sometimes get a little bit of commission from it as well from YouTube. Whenever ads being shown on my videos, I also get paid and that generates a couple of €100 for myself. And now I'm also trying to actively build up my email newsletter. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please use the link in the description and sign up to it. I send it out every Sunday, share some thoughts and some cool links that I found over the course of the week. And don't forget, if you don't feel comfortable on camera, that's totally fine. So many people are being super successful making YouTube videos without ever showing their face, right? There's a huge rise in faceless YouTube videos. For example, you can look for any tutorials and a lot of them won't feature any kind of face. It's just a screen share, people explaining your software, and then advertisers paying crazy amount of money on those videos because obviously they want to promote their products or promote a competing product. So people can really make some really good money. I mean, just look over here, I put tutorial PayPal and the first 3 videos you see are all without faces. Basically people screen sharing the desktop and then walking you through how to set up certain things, and advertisers are really paying top dollars for that. And they never had to show their face, and in return, they're really getting huge views. Look at this, 1 million views on this video and they never show their face. So that can be super, super profitable. And moreover, even if you don't want to put out any video, you can just start a podcast. Even 23, I don't think it's too late to start a podcast. There's so many tools, amazing ways to get started, free of charge. You don't need much equipment. You can just interview successful people and then over time, build up your crowd, your following, and then once again, get advertising revenue, affiliate links, and you can really start making some nice income. And over time, it's also something to grow into and really develop full time. So I'm really passionate about putting out free content because over time, the right people will find you and they will follow you. And eventually you can find ways how they can support you financially, but don't charge for every single thing, especially once you started. Everybody wants to make a quick buck, but that's the wrong way to go about it. Like myself, I don't have any course, anything paid. I have only free content. Of course, if someone somebody wants to support me more, they can, for example, join my YouTube channel as a channel member, which I truly appreciate, but it's not a must, and I'll continue putting out free content for all of you. The third side hustle that I really recommend and actually want to do once again, because I've done it in the past, and that is a print-on-demand shop. One of the leaders in the space is called Printful, and it's really amazing. Basically, all you have to do is create an account, and they will basically provide all the backend. You just have to come up with design, and they will give you all the various products. You can print your design, your logo, and they facilitate all the shipping, etc. at very little cost, and you can really make some good money from it. You can see here all the various products that they can have, so you can really go through and have a look. But basically, you click on men's clothing, for example, and you can really start an entire clothing wear with your own logos. And look at this, I mean, really looks cool. They even give you different mock-ups, so you can put your logo, and they show the logo and t-shirt worn in different places, different people, so you don't have to do any of that. And it's really simple to do. I've done it a couple of years ago, printing canvases. That was moderately successful because I didn't really know how to run ads, how to get the traffic in, but I still made some money from it. Now that I'm starting to have a little following online, I really think I want to do a shop, because actually it can also integrate with YouTube, so you could have all your products, for example, a coffee mug with my logo, a cool quote or something about investing on there that I could position in my videos, and people may ask, that's a cool mug, where can I get it? I put my website down below, and then people can go on there and just buy it. So I think it's just a nice way to get a bit of side income. And you can see here, you can download those pictures and put it on your website, on your socials, etc. And you can see all the designs here. You can see how much it costs. Obviously, you would charge a premium on that to make a nice profit, and they will facilitate all the backend. Now, what I would recommend is linking it to your Shopify website. So you build a quick Shopify page, which is really simple to do, very straightforward. And then you would link your Printful at the backend to it, and then you can start selling, and it looks like a really professional website without you having to do anything, any of the production. So it really can be fully offline without any of your physical involvement, which is amazing. There are also other companies like Spreadshirt that actually also do the hosting for you. So you don't need to have a Shopify page with it. So it's all in one solution. And from there, you just link it out to your various platforms, to your email newsletter, to YouTube, what have you, and start driving traffic to your page, and then obviously start generating sales. Now, as I said, I'm really thinking about doing my own shop once again on Printful, selling various items with some cool investment memes or sayings, maybe even some of my cheesy dad jokes. And I might even make this a video series and take you with me on the journey, how I build it up. So if you're interested into that, then please let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna get this started. The fourth side hustle would be to start a social media marketing agency. Now, that's actually been one of my goals for 2023, to start my own agency, because I really think a lot of people, companies, individuals, freelancers, small startups still struggle with the online presence, getting good marketing out. It's not anymore just about posting a nice picture on Instagram. There's so much more about having the right strategy, choosing the right channels for your product, for your company, for your personal branding, and then staying consistent on brand and really get the right message out there. And I personally know a lot of people who live in Dubai, in Bali, in Thailand, all year round, enjoying life, making thousands and thousands of euros every single month just by doing that for other people or companies from the comfort of their laptop. And that's something really inspiring for me, being able to work from anywhere, anytime you wish. I think that's the ultimate dream, having those freedoms. And running a marketing agency really can give you that freedom. Now, it's not only about social media, right? A lot of people think immediately, it's about posting on Instagram and Facebook. No, I actually really recommend niching down, finding your own niche in terms of delivery, and ideally also the niche of the business that you're going after. So in terms of delivery, that can be, for example, specializing in running ads. It could be ads on social media, it could be ads on Google. Now more and more people wanting to have ads on TikTok, right? And there's still not so many people who cover TikTok ads. At the same time, you could become a professional copywriter for other people, and using artificial intelligence tools such as ChatGPT can really facilitate your process and make it much easier. Or I have another friend who only specializes in running email newsletters for companies, because still email is so powerful and a lot of companies are struggling running successful email campaigns. So that could be really successful. And from the other side, you should find your business niche, because ideally you want to understand the lingo, the terms those companies and people are using, because you can't be everything to everyone. You should find the niche. So you could either go after doctors, after auto repair shops, after plumbers, after personal coaches. There's so many niches out there, so I think it's super important to find your niche, really become an expert out there, and that way people might approach you because you become an authority in the space. So that would be my strong recommendation. Find your niche, find your skill, and you're gonna be off to the races. Right, so my fifth and final side hustle recommendation for you is start a marketing agency, but not as a traditional model I just talked to you about. Instead, you wanna follow the SaaS model, software as a service. Now, that's something not many people actually talk about online, and I really think it's a super powerful and underserved niche that, in fact, I have myself decided to pursue for 2023. As I said, I wanna set up my own agency, but I don't wanna run it as a traditional agency because that would take a lot of my time to create either the ads or run the creative. You know, that's really labor intensive and a little bit harder to scale. It's not impossible, but it just takes more labor. If you run your agency as a SaaS model, it can be so much more powerful, profitable, lucrative, and easy to scale without needing much of your time. And for that, I'm gonna be using a tool called High Level, which is an amazing software and platform that gives you endless opportunities and super powerful. I started using it and absolutely love it. And with this tool, you can run it as a traditional agency, or you can run it as a SaaS model, and I'll show you in a second how that works. But basically it allows you to capture new leads, convert them into paying customer, and so much more opportunities to basically sell it to your clients to use it for themselves. It offers tools like missed callback. For example, if somebody calls the restaurant that didn't manage to answer the phone in time, this tool will automatically send the person calling an SMS saying, sorry, I missed your call, can I help you with anything? Then the person can text you back and you will have it all centralized from different channels, Instagram, SMS, email, all consolidated into one single platform that you can use on the desktop, that you can use on your phone, and it's all there for the business owner to utilize for themselves. It even has fully automated bookings in a way the software helps you to convert those guests into exact bookings. So it's really powerful. You can create memberships with this tool. You can easily convert leads into paying customers. And here's the part I really love about. You can white label the platform. As I've shown you, it's called High Level. Now, everybody might know and use it themselves, but you can actually put your own logo onto the software and sell it as your own. They even allow you to create your own app with your own name under the Google Store or Apple Store that people can download and use it for themselves as if it was your own software. So basically you brand it, but at the back end, everything is coming from the system and you can sell it for whatever price you want. So it's super powerful and so easy to scale. And honestly, guys, I remember when I started building my first agency, I mean, I had to buy all these things individually. My website builder on Squarespace, then I bought some funnels through ClickFunnels, then I had my CRM with HubSpot, then I needed some email marketing. I had a call tracker and some reputation management. All these things really added up to a huge amount. With this tool, I have all of those into one single monthly price. And yes, it's not for free, of course, but it's such a powerful tool. So honestly, for $97 per month, it offers you 2 accounts. And once you start getting more accounts, you can upgrade to the $297 plan, which is going to give you unlimited amounts of clients that you can give the tool to. And if you want the white label option, it's around $497 per month. This way you can make it your own tool. And that's actually going to be my goal. I'm going to come up with my own logo, name, and brand of that tool so I can sell it to other business owners as if it was my own software. They can download the app, they can use the tool and do all the things themselves. Basically, I'm just gonna set them up, I'm gonna charge them for a setup fee, and then every single month they're gonna pay me a fee. It's gonna be anywhere from 500 to 1,000 euros depending on the plan, but that will give them so many things and opportunities that saves them actually money down the road on all the other tools or having outside labor or an agency, because they can simplify and automate so many things with that platform, basically my tool. And the amazing thing is, just by having one client already, I would pay back my high level fees, because the great thing is it doesn't increase the more clients you have. It's going to be a monthly fee of $497 or $297 depending which plan you choose, and it doesn't matter how many clients you have. You can have 100 clients making $100,000 a month and still only pay $497. So I think it's super powerful, and the amazing part is people are going to stick with you much longer, because with a traditional agency, after a while, people question the expenses. If you charge them $2,000-3,000 a month, people want to start saving money over time, or they change the agency, they don't like the creative, or they want to try something new. This way, once they're stuck in your system, they're just going to be with it, because all the database is going to be in there. The call tracking is there, the history, the clients, etc. It's going to be so much harder to leave a software than it is to leave an agency. Guys, I'm super passionate about this tool because I really think that's going to be the future of marketing. In fact, I was almost at the point of starting a separate YouTube channel just to cover that specific tool and software as a service. Because think about it, how many times do you change your own email provider, note-taking app, or task manager? Probably hardly ever. If you are interested in this tool, then please use my link in the description below, and you're gonna get 2 weeks free trial to really explore the tool and platform. And in fact, if you do end up signing up with my link, I will actually offer you a free call to run you through the platform, answer any questions you have, to really get you started and succeed, because I really think it's such a powerful, amazing tool not many people are talking about. So once you've signed up, just shoot me an email and I'm gonna get back to you. And there you have it, 5 digital side hustles you can start from the comfort of your home. So, which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. Really excited to hear from you. Next up, check out the video over here, which YouTube thinks is gonna be a great watch for you. As always, stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!